Alright, so what's up fellow YouTubers? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very short video for you guys today, and that is how to fade in audio and fade out audio. So let's go ahead and get right into this, waste no time. So I got a clip right here that I imported, a song by Panther called Dayglow. Let me go ahead and drag this in. Cool. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys how I actually go about doing this. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it as if I was editing my own video. This is how I do it. So the first thing I do is go ahead and click on the audio and go over to volume. It'll be on the drop down menu, level, and make sure you're at the very beginning of the audio clip. Go ahead and click on the decibels there. Go ahead and hit -999. This is really lazy, but this is how I do it. Enter. And it basically just gives you the very opposite end of the spectrum, meaning that it is absolutely no sound. So let me go ahead and play this. And as you guys can hear, it is absolutely quiet, but that's what we want. So from there, go ahead and choose on the clip where you want the audio to kind of stop fading in. So I'm going to choose right around there. I think that's a good way, good area to end the fade in. So go ahead and go back to your audio level here. Go ahead and click on that negative infinity. Go ahead and hit 0, enter, and there's your fade in right there. So you got from this space to this space. That is the time of the initial fade in. Alright, so that's our fade in right there. You know, you can choose if you want the fade in. If you have the fade in out right here, then that's going to be a longer fade in, but it will be more gradual. It won't be as harsh coming in. But let me just show you guys real quick what it sounds like, you know, with just the music just straight up coming in real harsh. It is only one like So you guys can see the difference between, having the audio just kind of gradually come in. You guys can see the difference between that and just having no um, fade in at all, really. So let's go ahead and put it back to where it was, just like we did before. 0, enter. So next, you want your fade out. So go ahead and choose somewhere on the latter side of the clip. I think I want my fade out to start right around here. So go ahead and hit 0, enter again, and basically this keyframe right here to this keyframe is just going to be regular audio, regular levels. Don't really have to mess with it. You can make the audio sound louder if you want, and then go to the very end of the song and do what you did before, -999, for the negative infinity to come up, and this is your fade out right here, this to this. Go ahead and listen to that. And there's your fade out. So guys, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much how you do it. Like I said before, the further away you move these two keyframes, the longer the fade in, and the more gradual it is. The closer you put it, the shorter the fade in. It's pretty simple, guys. That's just how I do it. That's my method. That's my way I do it. There might be some people in the comments saying that there's other ways to do it, but that's just the way I do it. If you guys do want to see the other ways to do it, go ahead and let me know if you guys want to see it, because I will do a video on it. Guys, that's pretty much about it. I don't want to drag this video on too much longer. It's a very simple video, very easy. Let me know down below if you guys want to see anything else Premiere Pro. That's pretty much it, guys, and subscribe to my channel if you're new.